We'll be replacing the bake element on the Samsung oven. First, you want to start off by unplugging the unit and removing the back panel. To make things easier, remove the terminal block and the plug. On each end of the bake element, it'll be held in by a Phillips screw. Go ahead and remove those screws. There will be some insulation in the way. Take a knife and run it through the length of the insulation, all the way down from end to end. This will allow you to remove the bake element. Lift up and simply pull out on the bake element. You may have some wires to work around. Just slowly work at it and you'll manage to get it off those wires. Set the old one aside and bring in the new one. You can see from this angle that I'm going to get hung up on a yellow and white wire. Just slide one end of the wire around and you'll be all set. This is why removing the terminal block is pretty crucial. It makes things go a little bit easier. Once it's in place, take those Phillips screws that you removed and fasten the heater element back into position. Couldn't quite line up the one on the left, so I'll just move ahead here and finish the repair, and I'll take care of that later. Go ahead and reattach the terminal block into position. There are two screws that hold the terminal block into position. I'm going to reattach the plug here. I know what I'm doing with the drill, so I would not recommend, if you've never done it before, to use a drill. They're pretty easy to strip out, so I recommend just doing it by hand with a screwdriver or a nut driver. If you feel any sort of tension when you first start the screw, back it off and try again. They should go in pretty smoothly. Once everything is back together, simply plug the wires back into the element, put the back panel on, and you should be good to go.